I'm in. Yeah. Get some light in. Oh, it's nice and cool in here, 72 degrees. I'm liking that. Now see, this condo is missing some shelves. Look at that. There's 2 shelves that are going to go there, and there's another shelf that goes up there. So that's what my 3 shelves are for. And I've got them here. And before I do anything, I'm going to spray those down with some simple green. And because I don't want to just put them up there and then put plates on there. You know, would anybody really know if I did or not? No, but I would. I like to just do things right. Act as though this is my own place. You know, you always ask your question, would I do that in my own place? If your answer is no, or it's not a very enthusiastic yes, then I suggest you take some time and do it right. Yes, indeed. Okay, so I'll get the rest of this wiped off. Oh, you know what? Probably should take and just wipe off the front edge too. Okay. You saw that. You thought, hey Joe, what about that? Okay. I use simple green for all kinds of stuff. It's my go-to cleaner. And I don't buy it. See, that actually says simple green on it, doesn't it? But I don't buy it like that. I buy it in a gallon container, and maybe I bought, and this actually came with it. This whole thing came with a gallon container, but sometimes you can't find that in the store. So you can buy one container that says simple green on, or you can buy an empty bottle, and then you can buy the concentrate in the gallon size. Pour just a little bit, hardly anything at the bottom, and fill the rest up with water. Voila, simple green. Way cheaper to do it that way. I'm saving you money left and right. You gotta just keep watching my channel. That's all I have for this time. But I'll be back with more videos